Hiccup. Hiccup. Who is that? Who is that with the hiccups? Who is that? You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Hiccup. Who is that? Oh, hiccup. You got the hiccups. You're so silly. You're so silly with the hiccups. Who is that? Hmm? Who's that? Hiccups. Can you say hi to everybody? Hi. Without punching me in the nose? You're punching me in the... Oh, you're drooling on me. You're drooling on the couch. You're drooling on Daddy. Yeah. Okay. Alright. You got the hiccup still. Huh? Hiccup. Hiccup. Good boy. Yeah. Did you have a good day today? We went to the store. We went out for breakfast. Did we go out for breakfast? You had fun at breakfast, huh? And you've been in your swing? And you've been in your playground? You've been over there in the office? Yeah, your little jumper. Playing with the giraffe, yeah. And the elephant. Yeah, the elephant maker. The noise maker. Huh? Hiccup. You're playing with your friends today? Huh? 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 Who's that up here? Who's this? Who's this? Is it you? Yeah. Hiccup. You got the hiccup. You got the hiccup. 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 Let's show everybody how tall you are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's your head? You're so tall I can't even get a picture of you. I can't get a whole picture. You're so big. Maybe if I turn you that way. Huh? If I turn you that way. Huh? Boink. Yeah. Alright. Looks like you're just drooling away there. Just drooling away. Just drooling away. Drooling with hiccups. Hi. Yep. Who's that? Who's that? Do you know that, baby? That's you. That's you. Being a good boy. This is your almost 5-month birthday. Next week. April 30th. You'll be 5 months. Sorry, September 30th. One more time. August 30th. That'll be 5 months. Because you were born March 31st. There you go. Yeah. Hiccup. Hiccup. I got the hiccups too. Looks like it's time for you to get a tan. You need some sun. You should go golfing with me. You want to go golfing? Let's go golfing. Huh? Or we go sit in the beer garden. No, not tonight. Oh, sleepy time. You're tired of the hiccups, huh? You're just tired of the hiccups. Alright, I'll put you to sleep. Say bye-bye to everyone. Say bye-bye. You silly. Hiccup. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Hiccup. You want to go to bed, huh? Alrighty. Getting cranky time now. Time for sleep. Love you all. Talk to you soon. Yeah, I know. You gotta look at yourself because you're so good looking. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Sleepy. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
5 2/3 allowed 10 hits, but only 2 runs.
I don't even know if I know how to turn this thing off. Somewhere over there.
For the first time,
Hi.
will start.